You just ace the coding round. Then the interviewer says, design Twitter, and you freeze. Because nobody ever taught you what a good answer sounds like. I'm Kai, welcome to Fun with Learning Technology, where we turn fuzzy skills into steps you can practice. Here's the question this video answers. What do developers who consistently pass this round actually do differently, step by step? And no, you don't need to memorize 100 architectures to get there. It's a repeatable process. The interviewer says, design Twitter. A weak candidate starts drawing boxes immediately. A strong one asks, how many users? Read, heavy or write? Heavy, how much delay is okay? Those answers change the entire design. Before anything fancy, they draw one client, one server, one database. Out loud, this alone could handle a small user base. Then they ask, what breaks first as we scale? At scale, the same profile gets read thousands of times a second. Every read hits the database directly. It's melting. So they add a cache in front of it and explain why. Fast repeated reads, less DB load. Think of one database, like a single checkout counter. At 10,000 shoppers a minute, that line backs up fast. Split the data across multiple databases. Engineers call this sharding. And the lines get shorter, but now the registers have to sync. They pick based on the numbers from habit 1, not gut feeling. What happens if this one server goes down? They add a second server and a load balancer between them. If one dies, traffic just shifts to the other. No single point of failure. Strong candidates catch themselves going too deep on one piece and pull back to cover the whole system. I'll admit early on I used to spend 20 minutes perfecting one database schema and never even got to talk about failure handling. In short, a good design covers the whole system at a shallow depth before any one part goes deep. A user posts a tweet. It hits the load balancer, then a server, then gets written to the database and the cache. Followers' feeds get updated through a queue. Not instantly and not blocking the request. When they hit a real gap, strong candidates don't bluff through it. They say one specific sentence, I'm not sure of the exact number, here's how I'd find out. Naming the exact thing they'd benchmark or research. Interviewers have said directly that they trust that concrete admission more than a confident guess that turns out wrong. They treat the interviewer like a teammate, not a judge, thinking out loud constantly and inviting pushback. Here's my honest take. The specific architecture you land on matters way less than whether the interviewer could imagine debugging a real outage next to you. In short, this round is testing collaboration, not a right answer. None of these habits feel natural the first time. They click after you rehearse the same handful of systems enough times. Feed, chat, URL shortener, rate limiter, file storage, that the pattern runs on its own. Do it enough times and it just becomes instinct. Clean. Clarify first. Start simple, then scale on purpose. Name every bottleneck before fixing it. Do that consistently, and the freeze never happens again. Help today? That's exactly what the like button means. If something feels off or missing, or you want to see something new, tell me in the comments.